Ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time. Make some noise for my man. Somebody say hell yeah! Hell yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! I feel good! I feel good! I feel good! I feel good! Yo, they're waiting on me like a second coming of Christ. They say using the forest. I'm using a couple lives on one of the gladdest night. Y'all better stand by because I'm about to take flight. Couldn't think of the best. But only fuck when they over 21 and so they move to blackjack. I think I'm not right here. That's hot. You can notice the growth of what I've grown over the years. They say, hey, I said, hold on, I'm ahead. Let's go outside and pick the line up. They have line up to hear that real shit. The fans never speak it. They just can't feel shit. The niggas went Bledsoe, jacking and steal shit. Go to the next man. That ain't yours, that's the next man. Yeah, right. With 6 million ways to rock a microphone and they sound on the light. So go, 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 yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, I feel good, I feel good, yeah, I feel good, I feel good, yeah, be like, oh shit, you know, nigga, out here, I make it intro, but we not think about the other night, so yo, when that I shine, you shine, say so, I shine, everybody, yo, I shine, you shine, come on, I shine, you shine. I spit too close. I got what's required. I ain't a ghost rider. All that nigga pay to get us up on the flyers. And they good liars. I'm not asking. Just bring the cash in. Fucking tired of asking. And all I'm disrespectful. Now playing my craft, man. The whole last man. Last minute getting the book all in your ass, man. Instead of rags on my postal code. Skip the retail. That's what I call Gmail. Let the dots call. So I got a hot song. These runs are having rap. Keep on most strong. Put up in a box and turn it away. I spent so much time in the corner. Back also blocked. I hope that I will hit my don't know when it stops. Oh shit, nigga. Yeah, be like, oh shit, you know, nigga. Out here, I'm making it dope, nigga. You say, bro, what you doing? DJ Twisted, we might just, I might jump like this. I might grab like this. I might bounce like this. I might take it on some old school shit. I might just even do this. Lordy Dardy. Lordy Dardy. Lordy, all the old school heads in here. I know you know this. You know what? Yo, Lordy Dardy. So like the party. I don't cause trouble. I fuck with everybody, y'all. Just around it's on the mic. And when I get up on the mic, I'm like this shit. I'm a public enemy. Taste my favorite flavor. I ain't sharing the recipe. I got class to show her the story. She was naughty by nature. Her nature was to be naughty. She a black sheep in the family. The choice is yours. She want a quest on an old tour. I'm not yours. You can get a divorce. Get advice on the large professor. That dude's the main source of the knowledge. I was running for self-destruction. Cause all the poor righteous Jesus taught me nothing about like shit I can use that at school. Man, keep from school. No exception to the rule. What was left? My homeboy Rick was sick. My crew in 80 juice, I got juice with. You on the far side running away. Even though I graduated on time, I'm in that school every day. 7 MCs put on in a line. And then I take 7 more niggas who think they can rhyme. They don't take 7 more before I go for mine. Then I get 7 more on the line. I got 3 ways, so I click over and get 7 more. By that time, 7 more at the dough. Now that's 42 MCs. I run through with ease. I finish eating. Let me roll up my sleeves. Let me echo this one. Hands in the air, y'all. keep us out of the game. But obviously I forgot my name. Y'all insane. I'm a soldier like I told you before. You never win the battle. Guess who's winning the fucking war? You know what I say. All my niggas don't let it. You never got me all credit. Yo, my side. I hit him with the boom. I'm original. I hit him with the boom. Original. I hit him with the boom. Original. I hit him with the boom. Original. I'm the higher. And we suppliers. I was giving out free samples like flyers. Coming on a black hip miles every desire. I throw the flame on a tree. So it's a superior MC. Higher. I don't even want to pass away. Shut up, I'm tired. Real deep. I'm reading the temperature of flyers. I like the oil from fryers. Mommy said the sex was sweet. She's such a liar. Blue butter. Like she was higher. So she called me sire. I got 24 inches, my hands up. I just want to thank y'all for coming out and listening to me. I really appreciate it, man. Seriously, like, this is some real shit. I really feel it, man. So look, to every one of y'all, you know